Start. Start. 1, 2, 3, action. So here in ninth problem we have sum of 7 terms is equal to 49, sum of 17 terms is equal to 289. We have to find Sn. So first we'll write S7. Sn formula we'll use Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d for both S7 and S17. So for S7 we will write n is 7, S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus n is 7 minus 1 into d, which is equal to S7 we have 49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. So here we can take 49 is equal to 7 by 2. You can take 2 common here. So a plus 3d. So this 2 gets cancelled. Now 7 comes here. It will be 49 by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. So 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So we can write this as a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is equation 1. So similar way for S17 is equal to 289. So same formula we are using. S17 is equal to n by 2, 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. So S17 is 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. This is 17 minus 1 is 16. So 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into, again you are going to take 2 common. So this will be a plus 18d. 2 gets cancelled. Now 17 comes to the left hand side. Since it is multiplication, it can be written as 289 by 17 is equal to a plus 8d. So these 17 ones are and 17 sevens are. So here a plus 8d equal to 17. This is equation 2. We will solve equation 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. A value is, first equation is a plus 3d equal to 7. Second equation is a plus 8d equal to 17. So signs change. Plus a minus a will be cancelled. So here this is minus 5d is equal to minus 10. Minus minus gets cancelled. D equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are. D is equal to 2. Now substitute d equal to 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 is a plus 3d equal to 7. So a plus 3 into 2 equal to 7. A plus 5 equal to 7. A plus 6, 3 to the 6. So a equal to 7 minus 6, a is equal to 1. Now we have a value and d value and also Sn we have to find. So using the formula for Sn is equal to, again this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n, we don't have, so we are just finding the sum of n terms. So 2 into a value is 1, n value again we don't have, d value is 2. So this will be Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2 into n is 2n minus 2. Plus n minus n gets cancelled. This is plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Here is n by 2 into 2n. So this 2 gets cancelled. Sn is equal to n into n. Therefore Sn is equal to n square. So sum of n terms is n square. When S7 is equal to 49 and S17 is 289. Here the problem has been done a little bit congested way. So please bear with me because the space is limited. So please try to understand this problem. Very simple and very easy.